Welcome to the best picks. The best mirror clips is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, aspects of installing a frameless mirror. A seemingly small detail, choosing the right clips can mean the difference between a beautifully installed mirror that enhances your home and a disaster waiting to happen. In this video, we will explore the various types of mirror clips available, their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately help you choose the perfect clips to ensure your frameless mirror is securely and elegantly mounted. Number 5. Tatuo Crystal Mirror Clips. These versatile clips provide a secure and invisible way to hang your mirrors and artwork. They're perfect for a variety of home decor projects. The clear plastic design ensures they blend seamlessly with your wall. They're strong enough to hold up to 25 pounds. Each set includes everything you need for quick and easy installation: clips, screws, and wall anchors. Installation is a breeze. They're ideal for mirrors, paintings, and plaques. Use them to showcase your favorite pieces. Made from high-quality plastic, these clips are built to last. They provide a reliable solution for all your hanging needs. You'll receive 20 clear clips, 20 screws, and 20 wall anchors. That's everything you need to get started. What we like? If you need a bulk set of invisible, sturdy clips, this is a great option. They're clear and blend seamlessly into the wall. If you're hanging multiple mirrors or other items, this is the perfect choice for a cost-effective solution. Number 4. Blulu Mirror Hanging Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a secure and easy mirror installation. It includes clips, screws, and anchors for a professional finish. You'll receive 20 clips, 20 screws, and 20 anchors, plenty to handle multiple projects. No need to worry about running short. It's perfect for hanging mirrors and glass on cabinets, doors, or walls. The clear color blends seamlessly with your existing decor. The clips are made of sturdy, lightweight plastic, while the screws are metal for lasting strength and security. They're built to last. Simply drill holes, attach the clips and mirrors, and tighten the screws. It's a quick and straightforward process. Each clip measures approximately 0.83 inches and is designed for 6 mm glass. Please double-check the dimensions before ordering. What we like? These clips are incredibly versatile and come in a convenient 20-pack. The durable plastic and metal construction ensures they'll last. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable solution for various hanging needs, this is it. What people say? Very sturdy. It's gonna do its job. I used 6 clips for an entire full-length mirror. Holds it just fine. Sturdy and easy to install. Holds mirror securely, with enough clips for multiple projects. Easy to use for flat wall hangings like a mirror. I also use them for my indoor antenna, which is flat. Number 3. Shappy 2 Sets Mirror Hangers. Introducing Shappy's mirror hangers, designed for quick and secure mirror installation. It's perfect for frameless mirrors and other wall decor. Each set contains 2 spring-loaded clips, 2 ridged clips, screws, and wall plugs, everything you need for a professional-looking installation. First, mount the fixed brackets. Then, mark the positions for the spring clips. Finally, drill, secure, and hang your mirror. These hangers are made of sturdy iron, capable of holding mirrors up to 10 kilograms. They provide a secure and steady hold for your precious items. Use them for mirrors, pictures, paintings, or any other wall decor. Their simple and neat design complements any style. They support a maximum thickness of 6 mm and a maximum mirror size of 91 cm x 122 cm. The bracket depth is 5 mm. What we like? For a premium, heavy-duty solution, these metal spring clips are unmatched. They provide a secure hold for larger mirrors. If you need a robust and stylish solution for hanging heavier mirrors, this is the best choice. What people say? Installation is easy. The adjustable release feature is really nice, especially if your alignment is off by 1/4 inch. Sturdy, reliable, and nice looking. I've put up 6 very large mirrors and I had no issues. I simply measured the mirror and determined where I wanted to hang it. I used a level to mark a line where I wanted to install the bottom 2 clips and installed them. Then I carefully placed the mirror on the bottom clips and had my wife hold it in place while I drew 2 small lines on the top of the mirror about 2 inches from each top corner. Then I removed the mirror and installed the top 2 clips. Then I put the mirror back on the bottom 2 clips. While my wife held the mirror, I pulled the top 2 spring-loaded clips up while my wife pushed the mirror flat on the wall. I then released the spring-loaded clips over the top of the mirror edge and the job was finished. This product was easy to use, easy to install, and securely attached the mirror to the wall. We found a large, Builder Basic mirror to put in a basement home gym. There are no instructions, but if you've done any DIY you'll be able to figure these out. Spring sides go on the top, fixed on the bottom. I set mine 1/8 inch shorter than the exact measurement to allow the springs to expand and hold the mirror in place. When setting the mirror in, set top in first then bottom. Of the 4 spring clips, 1 didn't spring back. So just expanded it before lifting the mirror, then closed it once the other 3 clamped in place. Easy peasy. Number 2. Primeline U9002 Mirror Clips. Introducing Primeline U9002 Mirror Clips, the perfect solution for securely mounting your mirror. These clips are designed for mirrors up to 1/8 inch thick and offer a universal fit. Its ribbed design ensures a firm grip on your mirror, providing stability and preventing slippage. They're suitable for a variety of mirrors and surfaces. Made from clear acrylic, these clips maintain the aesthetic appeal of your mirror without being obtrusive. The transparency blends seamlessly with your decor. This 6-pack provides ample clips for most mirror mounting projects. You'll have everything you need for a secure and professional-looking installation. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a Phillips head screwdriver and simple assembly. All mounting hardware is conveniently included in the package. Please check the dimensions in the included line art drawing to ensure they meet your needs before ordering. This will guarantee a perfect fit for your mirror. What we like? These clips offer a sleek, modern look and are perfect for thinner mirrors. The universal design makes them easy to install. If you're looking for a simple, elegant solution for smaller mirrors, this is a great option. What people say? Perfect for our frameless mirror. The mirror weighs 13 pounds, and these little clips are great. Easy to install once we had the right measurements for the holes. We're able to use a stud on 5 of the 6, the included anchor worked great on the 6th one. Be sure to measure the width of your mirror as I originally bought one 4-inch by mistake from another vendor. These 1/8 inch fit my bathroom mirror exactly as needed and were snug and sturdy, setting my mirror flush against the bathroom wall. Good support for mirror to wall. Number 1. Primeline U9278 Mirror Clips. These mirror clips are perfect for hanging your mirrors. They're made of clear acrylic and designed for a modern look. They're made from clear acrylic, so they're discreet and won't detract from your mirror. The clear material ensures a clean, modern aesthetic. It securely holds your 1/4 inch thick glass mirrors in place. They're designed for a snug and stable fit. Its modern design complements any decor. They're unobtrusive and blend seamlessly with your mirrors. Installation is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary screws and anchors. You'll have your mirrors up and looking great in minutes. Please check the dimensions carefully before ordering to ensure they're the right fit for your mirrors. Refer to the included line art drawing for detailed measurements. What we like? If you have thicker mirrors and need a simple, yet effective solution, these are perfect. The clear acrylic design is unobtrusive, and installation is a breeze. If you value ease of use and a clean aesthetic, this is the right choice for you. What people say? My grandson had my door mirror installed in no time with these clips. Couldn't find them anywhere in a store. Don't really know what to say. They're holding my mirror up just fine. I took a couple minutes to measure the mirror and mark the wall. So everything is even and looks nice. I used one of the included screws to pre-drill the holes. Then stuck the anchors in the holes, put the bottom 2 clips on the wall, put the mirror in the bottom 2 clips, then put the rest of them on. Worked out fine. These clips are well made, and just as advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.